How to file 1099-K for Uber on FreeTaxUSA. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the website FreeTaxUSA. Once you're inside, you need to log into your FreeTaxUSA and start your tax return for the current year. FreeTaxUSA supports 1099-K reporting at no extra federal cost. You don't need to pay to include this form on your federal return. Once done, you will need to gather your 1099-K from Uber. Make sure you have your Form 1099-K from Uber. This form shows the total payments you received through Uber's third-party payment system. After that, you need to go to the Income section in FreeTaxUSA. Go to Income, Business Income, and then 1099-K Income. This is where you'll enter your Uber 1099-K totals. Follow the prompts and enter the payer's name, the amount from box 1A, any tax withheld if shown. After that, what you need to do is report your rideshare business income. Since Uber driving is self-employment income, you will need to report it on Schedule C with your business details. FreeTaxUSA will prompt you to create or select a business from this income. Once you are in Schedule C, enter your gross receipts or sales including amounts not on 1099 NEC or 1099 MISC. Include the Uber 1099-K in those totals. You can combine multiple platforms into the same Schedule C if it's the same business. Once done, add business expenses to lower your taxable income. Enter your Uber-related business expenses such as mileage or car expenses, phone and data cost, and many more. After that, review and file once all the income and expenses are entered. Check your income totals, confirm your Schedule C net profit, finish the rest of the tax return walkthrough. FreeTaxUSA shows your total tax due or refund before you file, and then you will be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.